Hi, I'm Emma. We're about to go to work, so let's go. My route to work takes me down quiet suburban streets like this one, and busy main roads like this one. The best part about my cycle route to work is that it takes me through Chorlton Water Park, which is just a fantastic place to come and clear my head. I started cycling when I was training for Manchester Marathon, and I loved it so much that it ended up being my main form of transport, and I actually sold my car in January. Things I like most about cycling are it's fast, it's free, and it keeps me fit. The bits that I don't like are the potholes in most of the roads, quite badly maintained cycleways, and also cycling this close to busy traffic. I think it'd be lovely if we could have the kind of cycling environment that they've got in like mainland Europe, in places like Amsterdam, where people sort of cycle to work in their work clothes. They don't really need a helmet. I really like the idea of having the safer crossing points for pedestrians and cyclists. I think it'll have quite a big impact on the journey into town. And I just think anything that's going to get more people on their bikes and out of the cars is going to be great for Manchester.
Let's keep going.